Hey, listen.
I can't leave till my bus comes. These people refuse to talk to me like a human being, so I have to cause a whole scene.
You cannot stand in the middle of the road.
Then remove me. I'm not going anywhere.
Listen, you see what I'm wearing?
I see what you're wearing. I don't.
Right there.
I genuinely, from the bottom of my heart.
I'm trying to help you. And for me to help you, I'm not gonna stand in front of no buses.
For you to help me, I have to cause a scene. You just said you were trying to help me, right?
Exactly. So I'm trying to help you
After I did all of this, so when I was at the window politely speaking, exactly, because that's how you get a supervisor. Because when I was standing there, yes, please.
If you refuse to leave, you are subject to arrest.
Please do. Thank you, sir. We can talk over there now that I've stood here for an hour and did all of this. I just
You have to do all that.
But I did because I've been at the window for an hour asking for a manager. So if you want to argue with me, I can back up in front of this bus again because I'm not here. I will go to jail. That's what I need you to understand. Thank you. Physically remove me. Physically remove me. Because I'm not.
Put your hands behind your back.
No. Fuck.
Okay.
Yup. You're going to have to walk me because what are you doing? This is a lot easier, isn't it?
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Okay.
Right. Because then I'm going to start swinging. No. For what? You're not my damn daddy.
Just wait. Just wait, because you're making it more difficult.
Please do.
Just wait. You're making it way more difficult than it has to be. Now you're going to jail.
No.
Now you're going to jail for something that you could have avoided. Something you could have gone to jail for.
You're an adult, right?
I am an
You're just
adult.
doing your job.
You're a
Shut
child.
up like him. Okay. Record like him. Just record him.
All right.
Just
Put your hands behind your
record.
back.
No.
If you refuse to put your hands behind your back, that is resisting. Put your hands behind your back now.
Break my arm.
That's fine.
No, don't cut my back.
Exactly. So put it down.
Damn, don't cut me.
Now put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Stop. Look at you.
Oh. Stop. 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 Let go. Let go. Stop resisting. Let go. Ma'am, put your hands behind your back.
No.
All right. Put your hands behind your back. Yeah, definitely whacked me multiple times. You need medical attention, ma'am? Oh, you don't need it. All right. For something you could avoid it. Well played. Well played.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You're going with me, so that matters.
Hey, stop. Calm down.
Too.
Down.
Silly ass cracker.
Stop resisting.
Sure you want to check him out with? That's like his blade. Goofy ass.
Stop resisting.
Fuck you.
Get in the car.
30 miles an hour, time 1905.
Somebody got a seatbelt from outside.
Sergeant Weaver, Atlanta Police. What happened today?
You want the whole story? Sure. Or the part that got me arrested? Or
Whatever you want to tell me.
I got here a minute after my bus left. I spent an hour going back and forth to the person, asking when the next bus was coming. She kept promising me a later time. I asked to speak to a supervisor. She refused to get a supervisor. So I stood here and caused a big scene so that I could get a supervisor. After 5 buses bagged up and multiple people called the supervisor, he finally came over, and instead of being a supervisor and being professional, he was an asshole. I was like, you, I could just stand here all day. It became that. And your officers, instead of speaking to me like a human being or just escalating the situation, they wanted to push me and force me to sit down. And that's where things got to be a problem. Okay, yeah, I get it. I have an attitude, whatever, but that does not give you the right to put your hands on someone. He is not my father. He cannot force me to sit down. And you guys may think you have the right to force someone to sit down, but you don't. Like, I don't care where y'all wrote that shit. you don't. Like, you really don't have that. And that's where, when he pushed me down, he caused me to hit my head on that pole, and that's when I started swinging. Like, I blacked out. I don't do that. I didn't put my hands on him. I didn't put my hands on anybody. I may have been rude. I may have been very disrespectful, and that's that. But that does not give you the right to put your hands on anyone. Because if I came up to you guys and I felt like you were rude and I just started swinging on you, it would have been a problem. So, vice versa. And that's where the whole thing went left. When he forced me to sit down and push my head into that pole over there.
Okay, so the officer says, told you to sit down.
Right.
Correct? Okay. Were you blocking the road here?
Yes. At the time he told me to sit down. No, sir, I was no longer blocking the road. We were face to face like this. He could have spoke to me, but he wanted to force me to sit down. So he kept trying to bag me up into that spot. And when I refused to sit down, he tried to yank me down and push me into the pole. And I'm pretty sure his body camera will show that. And that's where we're going with this. Just look at the body camera.
When they're conducting investigations, they can tell you to sit down. That's within their rights. Actually, it's evidence.
I'm listening to you, but that's not.
Okay, well.
You can't take my rights away.
Oh, he wasn't.
He was, though. When he forced me to sit down, and this isn't a debate.
If he's conducting an investigation,
There was nothing to investigate.
I don't know what the crime was here, but if he's doing an investigation, he's within his rights to have you sit down.
Okay, that's for the judge to decide. Yeah, he hit my head against the pole, and that's when I started swinging on him. That's what I'm saying. I can just pull up the body cam, because there's no debate here.
Okay. You have anything else for me, though?
No, there was no need for you to even, yeah.
Watch your hands, please.
Here on the arm. There, hands.
Somewhere on my neck, is there something?
Yeah, you're stretched behind his ear. Your leg.
Both legs.
This leg and that leg. Hi, Christina.
So, Christina, come over this way.
My drawers, can y'all get the f off of me? Y'all have no right to arrest me, so y'all can get the f off of me.
You're not under arrest.
So let go of me, please. We're not. I promise we're not. I promise we're not. Hey, can I pull my rolling? They're trying to take me. I don't need to go to the hospital. They're trying to. Get off of me. I don't need to go to the hospital. I promise you're not taking me to the hospital. You're not taking me to the hospital.
Quit.
You're not taking me.
You told us on body camera that if we took your child, you would take her gun and end it.
You're going to jail because you're lying. I didn't ask you to take me to the trash can.
Stop.
Please let go of me.
Stop.
Please let go of me. I'm trying to go home. My face is up now because y'all just slammed my head into the ground.
You did that.
You recording this? Thank you. Please record this. Please let them know everything. They just slammed me into the ground with no permission, none of that.
Come on.
They're trying to take me into the ground. No, you're not taking me to the ground.
Quit.
No, sir. I don't want to go. I don't want to go.
You don't have an option.
I do have an option, and I'm not going. You can't.
Why are you doing this?
Because I don't want to go.
Well,
my son
you don't have a choice.
is in the parking lot.
Yes, he's fine.
He's not fine.
He is fine.
You want to voluntarily step in, or do you want to be hobble strapped?
I'm asking you, why am I going in the back of this car?
Because you threatened to take a gun and move it. That's why.
What the f are you talking about a gun? What the f are you talking about a gun? I promise I'm not getting in the back of this car.
Okay.
You're going to look dumb as f on your mother.
Whoa, stop. Christina, stop. Stop. On a hobble.
Slowly! 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 You're hurting me, please.
You're doing this to yourself.
I'm not.
Stop.
You don't have
Stop.
permission to arrest me.
You're not under arrest.
Help me! I don't need medical attention. Please take me home. I don't want to go.
Listen, you just have to relax.
Please, why are you taking me? I told you I'm okay.
Yourself.
I didn't say that. You're lying. I'm not going to jail. You're going to jail. All because my son went outside. He went outside. I didn't mean for him to go outside.
I once wanted to sit.
Why? So you could have said that.
We did. I told you 3 times.
And I sat in the back of the van.
Yeah, and you kicked the door shut.
No, I didn't. What the f? You let me out the back of the van.
You never were in the van.
I was never in the van. Are you serious?
I'm pretty serious.
You're a white cracker b****.
It'd be like that.
Now you're going to jail.
Right? You got this all on video. Slowly.
Stand up. Hands up.
Recording my car.
got it.
They're telling me to stand up. I can't even stand up.
Don't stand
They're
up.
telling me to stand up. I can't. Baby, watch this. Watch this. You're all getting fired on your mother. on your raggedy ass, goofy ass, white ass, cracker ass mother.
Do we have a,
No, you don't, and you're not gonna have one. Shut up. I can't breathe.
You can't
Let
breathe.
me up.
You can sit like that if you
Okay,
can.
put me on the wall. Just put me on the wall, strap me in. Just put me on the wall,
You
strap
can
me
do
in.
that?
Yes, I promise.
Okay, no more issues.
No more issues. Take this shit off my head. Put me on the
That's
wall.
not gonna happen. You're already
Why? You can strap me on the wall.
I can say
I'm by myself. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Christina, stop.
I can't breathe.
You wanted to sit, right?
I'm asking you to breathe. I can't breathe. I can't breathe,
Don't
please.
care. Literally spit in my
And
face.
you don't care.
Because you spit in my face. Just spit.
But you insulted me and told me I was gonna be in the back. Watch me get out of these.
If you do it, then we strap you to a gurney.
I bet. And I'm still getting out. Bye, Toodle, Toodle-goose, let's go, bitch. Let's go, so I can get out.
You're not getting out tonight.
Let's go, because if you kill me, you're going to jail. Don't leave me, but let's go. Don't leave.